Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The topic of our discussion today about ACC chemistry, first paper on chapter number 3. Now the first topic is the general properties of elements of different blocks, right? General properties of elements of different blocks. And we know that the periodic table has 4 blocks. Right now, the periodic table has 4 blocks, such as, or for example, S block, P block, D block, and F block. Okay. So, the first of the 4 blocks is S block. Right now, the first of the 4 blocks is S block. Okay. Another thing, the number of S block elements in the periodic table is 14 right now, and the special religion of this block elements, they are alkali metal. Okay, so the definition of the S block elements whose last electron enters the s orbital and so are called the s block elements. Right now, just you think that uh, s block elements whose last electron, right now, elements whose last electron enters the s orbital, so are called the s block elements. Okay, so for example, s block elements for group number 1: sodium, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. This is here, right? Okay. And such example, sodium, 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6, 3s, 1. This is here. Last electron enters the s orbital right now. So this is sodium is the s block elements. Okay. Especially s block elements are usually alkali metals and alkaline earth metals right now. Okay, and their special religion of s block elements, and they are react with water and is created also, and they are made to strong base and hydrogen. Okay, our they are react with water, is created strong base and hydrogen, right? Or they are created to mate a strong base and hydrogen. Okay, so for example, sodium alkali metal. Right now, sodium is a alkali metal, reacts with water, right? Reacts with water. This is created sodium hydroxide. Right now, sodium hydroxide. Okay, but take a look this figure or this reaction. We will equalize the number of atoms on both sides. Right now, please just take a look this reaction. We will equalize the number of atoms on both sides, right? These two, these two, and hydrogen. And everybody know that alkali metals react with water and is created strong base and hydrogen. And secondly, we will equalize always, right? We will equalize the number of atoms on both sides, left and right. Okay, similarly, potassium alkali metals with reacts with water right now, and it's created potassium hydroxide. This is strong base and hydrogen. These two, this here is two, this two. Okay. Uh, Again and again, or similarly, uh, the second religion of S block elements, and they are react with water, and it's similarly is created hydroxide, alkali metal, and hydrogen. Right now, where they are react with water to make hydroxide, alkali metal, and hydrogen. So again, this group number 2. So the second religion of the S block elements, they are react with water and their water, and to make hydroxide, alkaline metals, and hydrogen similarly. So for example, calcium, this is an alkaline metal. This is not alkali metal. This is a alkaline metal. Right now, alkaline earth metal. Okay. So uh, calcium alkaline metal is react with water. Is with water, and it's a created uh, calcium hydroxide. Right now, calcium hydroxide. Okay. And just similarly, we will equalize the number of atom on both sides. Okay. This two. Okay. And hydrogen. Okay. Similarly, magnesium alkali metal reacts with water, is created magnesium hydroxide. Right now, magnesium hydroxide. Okay. These two just okay, just look like these two hydrogen number 2 4 2 4 right now. Okay, calcium 2. Okay, this hydrogen 4 4 plus this hydrogen. Okay. So this is a similar case, this group number 1 and group number 2, and but different cases. Group number 1, they are react with water and directly to make a strong base and hydrogen. But second case, or secondly, the special religion of S block elements, and they are react with water. But this case is secondly, the to make a strong, they made this is not a strong base. Right now, they are react with water, but is created hydroxide alkaline metals, or alkaline earth metals, and hydrogen. Right now. Okay. And thirdly, thirdly, uh, general properties of S block elements. Right now, thirdly, general properties of S block elements or S block metal. Right now. Okay. So the S block metals, or the metal of S block elements, just to think that just the metal of S block elements with S block elements are metal with a low melting point and low boiling point. Right now, and so thus S block elements are very soft and malleable metals. For example, sodium. Right now, this sodium is block elements. Okay. And this is the here is the specialized religion of its block elements. Sodium is a soft and malleable metals. Right now. Okay. Just finishing case of the block elements. So is basically S block elements, they react with water. First of all, strong base, there is created strong base and hydrogen first of all, and secondly group number 2, there group number 2 elements of S block. So group number 2 is block elements, and they are react with water, and it's created hydro and hydroxide alkaline metals. Right now, Islam.